Hi team. Today we are announcing our giveaway winner. So I'm just waiting who will be the winner. And this is my LinkedIn. I already mentioned one criteria. You want to give some comment regarding whatever you learn. So based upon this comments and based upon your attendance, we will be given. So we need the 10 winners. I'm just telling you about initial 10 winners we need. So going here. So 10 winners we need and exclude the duplicate I'm just mentioned. And here also, I just want to need like a pick one by one. So confirm total 53 comments total I got. So I'm just coming into the start. So I'm also eagerly waiting who will be the 10 winners at this moment. 3, 2, 1. Stenin Thomas. So the winner, Stenin Thomas. Congratulations, Stenin. Next winner, Feroz Shah. Congratulations, Feroz. Winner number 3. Sai Prasad Panda. Congratulations, Sai. Winner number 4. Harsh Mahwani. Congratulations, Harsh. Winner number 5. Shahina S. Congratulations, Shahina. Winner number 6. Stebin John. Congratulations, Stebin. Winner number 7. Bharat. Congratulations, Bharat. Winner number 8. Umesh Unni. Congratulations, Umesh. Winner number 9. Dhanya Vinayan. Congratulations, Dhanya. Winner number 10. G Singh. Congratulations, G Singh. So these all are the winners. You will be getting our like a gift. So we will team will be connect with you and sharing all the gift. And the next 10 winners, based upon the everyday attendance, we will be arranging the connect with the LinkedIn review and resume review. This is the first 10 winners who got the headphones. Congratulations, all the winners. Thank you for your support and attending our vision board sessions.